day 4, how to describe likes and dislikes that is killing the beauty of your conversation. Hello guys, welcome back to Hamid Talash Talks. It is day 4, and in day 4 I have a very interesting and important topic to you all, and that is about how to describe likes and dislikes in English. تاسو څنګه کولای شئ چې د خپل لایکس او ډیسلایکس باره کې خبرې وکړئ په انګلیش کې ایزیلی ډسکرایب کړئ چې څه تاسو خوښ دي او څه تاسو نه خوښوئ. So let's begin with the proper structure. دې ته موږ preferences هم وایو، موږ څه prefer کوو، موږ څه خوښوو او موږ څه نه خوښوو. نو هغې ته موږ likes and dislike وایو. For example, I like to wear green shirt. بل مرګري وایي I don't like, instead of dislike you're saying I don't like wearing green shirt. اوس likes and dislike به داسې describe کیږي. But it is not enough. If you are saying I like, I don't like or I dislike again and again, the bar da khabara koyi, the same phrase use koyi, that is killing the beauty of your conversation. The conversation beauty savi. If you want to bring beauty in your conversation, you need to know that repetition of phrase is not acceptable. Kawari چې ښه conversation راشي، چا سره impressive conversation وکړي او کس نه impress شي، نو the same phrase یا same word یا یو phrase بار ذکر کول، هغه بیا په خپل sentence structure کې use کول، that is something that breaks the beauty or kill the beauty of your statement. So instead of I like, you need to know some phrases. And instead of I don't like or I dislike, you need to know some other phrases to avoid the repetition of the phrase of I like or dislike. So let's know some specific phrases for like, I like. Instead of I like, you can say I'm big fan of. I'm big fan of meeting my favorite celebrity. Or you're saying I am fond of or I'm fond of. I'm fond of having rice. And another phrase you can use, I am passionate about it. I'm passionate about taking classes. I'm passionate about guiding people about new things. I enjoy teaching people. I love helping people. So instead of like, I like, you can use all these phrases. Now, instead of I dislike or I don't like, instead of I dislike, you can say I don't like. You can say I am not interested in it. Either you can say that I'm keen on. For example, I'm keen on spicy food. It means I don't like spicy food. Or you can also say I detest being late. So you need to know these phrases when you are going to describe your likes and dislikes. Thank you, and follow me for the next tutorials. Keep supporting your own channel, Hamid Talash Talks. Stay blessed and stay happy.